Hello guys, welcome to Nice Touch Construction Nigeria Limited. So today I'm going to be giving you step-by-step guide on how we install our PPR pipe fitting for our water supply. So the first thing you need to consider when installing a PPR pipe is that there are tools and materials that you need, which is PPR pipes. I recommend you go for standard quality. Then you need the PPR fittings, which is cable, T, coupling, reducer, etc. Then you need a PPR fusion welding machine, also known as heat fusion iron, like you're seeing right now. You can see it right here. This is fusion welding machine. Then you have to know the correct size heating dies, like the size of the pipe you're heating is a 1-inch pipe. You need to know the dies that you need. Then you need a pipe cutter, you need measuring tape, you need marker, then you need a clean cloth to clean the surface. So after you're done with all these things, the next thing you have to consider is to measure the area. You have to measure the area, the length, the size of whatever you want to work with. Make sure you measure it properly before you cut and before you melt. So once you're done with that, you clean the pipe and the fittings. You clean the pipe, you remove the dents, then the doors, the grease, or anything that is on it, you just clean it up. You wipe it clean. Then the next thing you do, you prepare the fusion welding machine. You prepare it, you allow it to get heat enough to like 260 degree. I think so. That's what we normally use, 260 degree. Then you mark the insertion depth. You can see what we are doing here. You make sure that it's been heated properly. You understand? You just have to put the pipe into the heating sleeve like you see here. Then you put the fitting onto the heating madre. Then after that you twist while heating. That is just it. So you just have to focus more on it so you don't have errors on it. And this is like we cutting the pipe, and this is the cutter. This is the pipe cutter. We don't use our normal saw that we use in cutting our normal water supply. This is what we use, cutter. So once you're done with this cutting, you have to check your fittings first. Any mistake you make is like a waste of material, and PPR materials are very expensive, so you have to be sure that the length you're cutting is okay. Then you have to be sure that the size of the pipe is what you want, the right fittings. Then you have to be sure that when you're burning it, there is no mistake. You burn properly, there's no mistake. Then after that, you focus on your installation. You get your job installed. Then once you're done with your installation, the next thing you have to consider is testing. You have to do the testing. The testing is very, very important. You have to secure the pipes, use clips. Then but before that, make sure you do your testing. Make sure you do your testing before you do anything. Your testing is very important. That helps you to know if there is a leakage or anything. That we call it pressure test. So on our next video, I'm going to put it through on how we did our pressure test. So in case you're just coming across the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, drop a comment, and don't forget to share. We are open to suggestion, criticism, all the rest. Thank you guys. I love you.